Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
You nervous and excited?
Okay. Hi guys, so today we're going to do an unboxing. My grandma very kindly gave us some money last week, so we've used it to buy something that we've wanted for a really long time. And Ian's going to tell us what it is.
Am I?
I don't know what it is.
Are you sure? Okay. So, to go along with our love of photography and filmmaking, we've bought a very cool tool to help us do some more. You know what? I'm not going to tell them what it is. We should open the box and people will find out.
It's so exciting. How exciting is that? A drone! Thanks, Grandma. We've been able to use the money that you gave us to buy this awesome flying camera.
So what we've got is a DJI Mavic Air. Jenny, let's have a look at what's in the box.
There's a bag, and inside the bag is a box.
Battery charger hub.
A battery charger thing. A battery?
Yep.
Look how good I am. A battery.
Yep.
Power socket.
Yep. Mains adapter.
Charger thing. And
The
a controller. We've got some spare blades for when Ian crashes.
What?
More blades
How
for
rude.
when Ian crashes again.
Again, how rude.
A charging cable for when Jenny breaks the charging cable.
The adapter cables for the controller. No idea what that is. I'm sure it'll make sense soon. And that's another adapter for the
teeny-weeny
chargers.
Let's get on to the important bit. Another case. Hopefully in here the actual drone is. Here
Wow.
it is.
That is small.
Titchy titchy. So one of the reasons that we wanted a small drone that folds up is so that we can take it on our motorbikes. And yeah, look how tiny it folds up, fits into that case.
There's another little box in the back. Let's have a look what's in the box. We've got manuals. Apparently that... this little adapter here is to turn the batteries into a power bank. Something like that, which you might need to charge up the controller or your phone, which you need to run both of. The propeller guards for flying inside, and probably we'll put on while we're learning. Anything else? DJI support card. Right, I think that's it for now. Sadly, it is raining outside, so we're not going to be flying this today, but we need to get all the batteries charged up, get the apps installed on our phones, and yeah, we'll be back soon with a video of it flying.